Hi, we're going to do some word work today. We're going to be working on changing some of the sounds. We're going to do that substitution game again. So we're going to start with a word, sound it out, and then change the sounds. Let's see if we can do it. So the first word we're going to start today looks like this. Can you sound out this word? I want you to try it first. All right, now let's see if I can do it. Hot, hot. Did you get the word hot? Nice job. Let's change the sound. Let's take out the h and make it a d. Take out the h, make it a d. What's the new word? Let's see. I'm gonna take out the h. I'm gonna add in a d. Now what does our new word say? D. Ot. Dot. Did you get the word dot? Nice work. Let's try this again. Let's try All right, let's sound out this word. You try first. All right, let's see how I do here. R, g, rug. Did you get rug? Let's change it up. Let's take out the and add in Take out the make it a Okay, let's try it. Hopefully you already have your answer. I took out the I made it an Now let's sound that out. Ready? Ug, mug, mug. Did you get mug? Give yourself a pat on the back. Nice job. Let's do one more of these. Okay, let's try. Marker is squeaky today. All right, let's try and read this word. Okay, let's sound it out together. Hopefully you already have a word in mind. J, et, j, et, jet. Did you get the word jet? Let's change it. Let's take out the j, add in n. Take out the j, make it a n. All right, let's see what we get. I'm gonna take out that j, gonna make it an n. We have a new word. Let's sound it out. Here we go. Now we have n, et, n, et, net, net. How'd you do? All right, you should keep practicing this. You can play this game anytime you want. Pick a word and then change the sound and sound it out. See what new words you can make. Great job, boys and girls.